Welcome to Smart Contract Development. Getting started. In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn the fundamental concepts and practical skills needed to begin your journey into blockchain programming. Smart contracts are revolutionizing how we build decentralized applications, and understanding them is essential for any aspiring blockchain developer. Let's dive into the exciting world of smart contract development together. Smart contracts are self-executing digital agreements with terms written directly into code that run on blockchain networks. Think of them as programs that automatically carry out actions when specific conditions are met, similar to a vending machine that dispenses a product when you insert the correct amount of money. These contracts are automated, meaning they execute without human intervention. They are trustless and secure because they don't require intermediaries or central authorities to enforce the agreement. And they are decentralized, running across multiple nodes in a blockchain network, making them transparent and resistant to tampering. Before diving deeper into smart contracts, it's important to understand the blockchain technology that powers them. A distributed ledger means that data is stored across multiple nodes, ensuring transparency and redundancy throughout the network. Immutability guarantees that once recorded, transactions cannot be altered or deleted, providing a permanent record. Consensus mechanisms allow the network to agree on transaction validity without a central authority. And decentralization ensures there is no single point of control or failure in the network, making it more resilient and secure. These four principles form the foundation of blockchain technology and enable smart contracts to function reliably. To start writing smart contracts, you'll need a development environment. The most beginner-friendly option is Remix IDE, a browser-based development environment specifically designed for smart contracts. One of its greatest advantages is that no installation is required. You can start coding immediately from your web browser. Remix comes with a built-in code editor optimized for Solidity, an integrated compiler that translates your code into bytecode, and tools for quick deployment to various blockchain networks. It also includes comprehensive testing tools and a debugger to help you identify and fix issues. Remix IDE makes it incredibly easy to get started with smart contract development without complex setup procedures. Solidity is the primary programming language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum and EVM-compatible blockchains. EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, which executes the smart contract code. Solidity is a statically typed language, meaning variable types must be declared explicitly and are checked at compile time. It's object-oriented, supporting inheritance and libraries similar to other modern programming languages. Solidity is a high-level language with syntax similar to JavaScript and C++, making it more approachable for developers familiar with these languages. Finally, Solidity code is compiled into bytecode that the Ethereum virtual machine can execute. Understanding Solidity is essential for building smart contracts on the Ethereum ecosystem. Every Solidity smart contract follows a basic structure. At the top, you'll find the SPDX license identifier, which specifies the license under which the code is released. The pragma statement declares the Solidity version that the code is compatible with. The contract declaration defines the name and scope of your smart contract. Inside the contract, you can define state variables that store data permanently on the blockchain. The constructor is a special function that runs once when the contract is deployed, typically used to initialize state variables. This basic structure provides the foundation for all smart contracts you'll write in Solidity. Solidity supports various data types categorized into two main groups. Value types include uint for unsigned integers, which store positive whole numbers, int for signed integers, which can be positive or negative, bool for Boolean values representing true or false, and address for storing wallet addresses on the blockchain. Reference types include string for text data, arrays for storing collections of elements, structs for creating custom data types with multiple fields, and mapping for key-value pair storage, similar to dictionaries or hash tables. Understanding these data types is crucial for storing and manipulating data effectively in your smart contracts. Here's a simple storage contract that demonstrates the basics of Solidity programming. This contract stores a single unsigned integer value on the blockchain. The stored data variable is declared as public, which automatically creates a getter function allowing anyone to read its value. The set function accepts an unsigned integer as a parameter and updates the stored data variable with the new value. The get function is marked as view, meaning it only reads data without modifying the blockchain state, and it returns the current value of stored data. This simple example illustrates the fundamental concepts of state variables, functions, and data persistence in smart contracts. Once you've written your smart contract code, it needs to be compiled before deployment. The compilation process starts with your Solidity source code stored in a .sol file. The compiler then translates this high-level code into bytecode, which is the low-level language that the Ethereum virtual machine can understand and execute. The compilation produces several outputs: bytecode that will be deployed to the blockchain, the ABI or application binary interface, which defines how to interact with the contract, and metadata containing additional information about the contract. Understanding this compilation process is important because the bytecode is what actually gets deployed and executed on the blockchain. Deploying a smart contract involves several important steps. First, select your environment. You'll want to choose a testnet or local blockchain for testing rather than deploying directly to the mainnet. Second, connect your wallet, ensuring it has test funds to pay for gas fees, which are transaction costs required by the network. Third, deploy your contract by submitting a transaction to the blockchain network. This transaction contains your compiled bytecode and any initialization parameters. Once confirmed by the network, your contract receives a unique address and becomes permanently accessible. Remember, deployment is permanent and requires gas fees paid in cryptocurrency, so always test thoroughly on testnets before deploying to the mainnet where real money is involved. Testing and security are critical aspects of smart contract development because smart contracts are immutable. Bugs cannot be fixed after deployment. To ensure your contracts are secure, you must test thoroughly by writing comprehensive unit tests for all functions and edge cases. Consider professional code audits, having security experts review your contract before mainnet deployment. Use established standards and libraries like OpenZeppelin, which provide battle-tested implementations of common patterns. Always deploy to test networks first to validate functionality safely without risking real funds. Remember, once a smart contract is deployed to the mainnet, it cannot be changed, so investing time in testing and security review is essential to prevent costly mistakes and vulnerabilities. Congratulations on completing the basics of smart contract development. Your learning journey doesn't end here. To advance your skills, explore advanced data structures like mappings and arrays for more complex storage patterns. Learn about events and logging to track contract activity and enable front-end applications to respond to blockchain changes. Study contract interactions to understand how contracts can call and communicate with each other. Master gas optimization techniques to make your contracts more efficient and cost-effective. Explore design patterns that provide proven solutions to common smart contract challenges, and dive into specialized topics like DeFi and NFTs, which represent exciting applications of smart contract technology. Start building, keep learning, and join the blockchain revolution. The skills you've learned today are just the beginning of an exciting journey into decentralized application development.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.